this will be your L-shaped living and dining area. So here is a platform with the cabinets. Come inside, and then there's a bed space. You can even add up a... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Bryn Avana, which is located in Kanakpura Main Road in Bangalore. And this project has been constructed by Bryn Corporation. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office where I'm standing right now, and we are on the actual land parcel as well. So this is the land parcel where the construction work is going on behind the marketing office. Now let's start with the project overview. So this is the 3D model, and this project will be constructed on total 4.7 acres of land parcel with 3 premium towers with basement, ground plus 23 floors. And here in this project you'll be getting purely 3 BHK residencies. And now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities. Like of the first one is Club Avana with all the indoor amenities like gymnasium and many more. Another coming to the multi-purpose court, the garden area, and the kids play area. Even there are few amenities on the podium level, and this part which you can check out is the commercial space and many more amenities in the project. Now let's discuss the location part, and this project is located on Kanakpura Main Road in Bangalore. So now let me show you the Kanakpura Main Road. So this is the Kanakpura Main Road, and this road over this side will connect you towards Nice Ring Road, and on the opposite side will connect you towards Kanakpura. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Art of Living Ashram in 1.4 kilometers. Kaggalipura Lake is 2.6 kilometers away from the project, and even you can connect to D-Mart within 8 kilometers of the project. So this is your 3 BHK at Avana of 1660 square feet super built up area. Let's enter towards your beautiful 3 BHK. So once you enter, this is your foyer area for your privacy, where you can add up the shoe rack. And now, once you enter from your foyer area, this will be your L-shaped living and dining area. So this part is for the living area, where you can add up your couch, your sofa set, and where here this side is the balcony. So this is your beautiful balcony with 3 side covered anti-skid tiles and iron railing, where you can enjoy the beautiful scenic view. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So as you can check out, this is the kitchen with open kitchen concept, and you can check out the platforms over here. So here is a platform with the cabinets, which you can add up in your kitchen area, the utility area, which is divided by a tile drop to avoid the water spillage, and 2 machine provision, one for washing machine and other for dishwasher. And with the easy access, this part where you can set up your dining table with the easy access to your kitchen area. And now moving towards your bedroom. So all the 3 bedrooms are over this side, but before that, over this space. So you can add up your decor, your storage area, your work table over here. And this is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now this is your bedroom number 1. Once you enter this bedroom, you can add up your bed over here with a window. So this is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and a wardrobe space over here. And now let's move further towards the another bedroom, which is just exactly beside this bedroom itself. So this is the entrance for your bedroom number 2 with the lobby area for your privacy. And now this side is the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. You can check out the bed space, and this bedroom comes with a Juliet balcony that is with anti-skid tiles and iron railing. And now about this, the wardrobe space. Now after this bedroom, we'll be moving towards your master bedroom. But before that, let me introduce you with all the features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project. Payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com only. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule your free site visit. Now just follow me and we'll move towards the master bedroom, which is over this side. So this is the entrance for the master bedroom. So the uniqueness starts from the flooring, that is wooden finishing flooring, and once you enter over this side, there is no bed space. From this foyer area, you need to come inside and then there's a bed space. You can even add up a couch over here. There's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and this side you can add up your wardrobe. Now about the master washroom. So this is the washroom area with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So this was all about your 3 BHK in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And additionally, as you all know, we are here in Kanakapura Main Road project. Have you checked another project in this location? Again, if yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.